are we doing today, guys? Today I want to make a sign for my stepfather, Marlon, for Christmas. So I've got this deadly bit of wood from Bunnings, about this big. Done some test cuts. Like this one. And there's this one. And this one. Let's go see if I can do it properly on the real bit of wood. Wow, that come up good. Righto, so now, give it a bit of sand. I'm gonna paint it with black paint and then sand the black paint off so it leaves the black in there, and then we'll stain it and stuff. So, let's paint it. Da 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 da. Whoosh. And she's done. All done. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Click like, subscribe, tell your mum, share it around, and join us next time on Creative Instigation. Thank you.